Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 3. How are you all? This is Muhtarima Sultana. Today I am going to take your grammar class from your Grammar Builder book. Today's topic is past continuous tense, unit 8.3. Past continuous tense refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past, or two ongoing actions were happening at the same time. We need to know first the structure of past continuous tense. The structure of past continuous tense is subject plus be verb. Here we have to use was or were plus verb plus ing plus extension. Look at checkpoint, my dear students. 1a. This morning she listening to music in her room. This sentence is not correct. According to the structure, here be verb is absent. So look at 1b. This morning she was listening to music in her room. This sentence is correct. Look at 2a. At 5:30 p.m. yesterday, he is driving home from work. This sentence is not correct because in the class I have told you yesterday, where you will get yesterday, last or previous, this type of word, definitely we have to use past form in the sentences. So this is definitely past tense, so we cannot use is in this sentence. Look at 2b. At 5:30 p.m. yesterday he was driving home from work. This is correct. Okay, my dear student, look at grammar points. We have to learn these grammar points, the definition. Here it is written, we use the past continuous tense to show that an action was going on or being carried out in the past. Examples: at 6 p.m. yesterday I was waiting for a taxi outside the mall. This afternoon Eric was playing tennis with Shan. Now he is cleaning his motorbike. Next, look at the box 2 number. Here the differences between present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Exactly everything is remains same in past tense and present. On and only we have to change the be verb. Look at I am resting now. I was resting just now. Here we cannot use now. Before now we have to use just. He, she or it is sleeping now. He is sleeping now, or she is sleeping now, or it is sleeping now. In present form we can use. And past continuous tense we have to use she was sleeping just now. He was sleeping just now, like this. We are working now. In past continuous tense, we have to tell we were working just now. You are working now. In past continuous tense, we have to tell you were working just now. Now, practice A. Tick the sentences with correct tense. We will find out the correct sentences according to the tense. 2 months ago, Rita won a prize for singing. It is written 2 months ago and Rita won. The verb win, from win, the past tense of the verb won came in this sentence, so it is correct. Number 2, last Tuesday we were swim at the lake. I told the structure before, was, were, then verb plus ing we have to write. So after were, the verb swim came here, but there is no ing, so it is incorrect. Number 3, every morning mom is waking me up to get ready for school. In present, simple present tense, I told you if you get every, usually, this type of word, so definitely we have to use those sentences in present. We have to write those sentences in simple present tense. So mom is waking, it is incorrect. The correct sentence is every morning mom wakes me up to get ready for school. Number 4. Last night Ted was playing in the football finals at the stadium. As it is written last night and Ted was playing, so it is correct. Number 5. May usually goes home to visit her parents at weekends. May is the name of a girl, so she goes. I told you earlier, usually if you get this type of word, definitely it is simple present tense. May is a girl's name and it is third person singular, so the verb carries es, so it is correct. In simple present tense, we know verb always, if the subject is third person singular, verb always carries s or es. So may usually it is written goes, so it is correct. May usually goes home to visit her parents at weekends. Number 6. The maid is cooking dinner now. This afternoon she is ironing the clothes. This sentence is wrong because these two sentences actually one after one another happen. If the maid is cooking right now for dinner, in the afternoon she was ironing the clothes. So it is incorrect. Number 7. Please keep quiet. The baby is sleeping. This is correct. Number 8. At sunset every day the fishing boats coming ashore. The fishing boats, I told at every usually if you get this type of word, so what you will have to do? Definitely simple present tense we have to write. So fishing boats, we cannot write coming, we have to write fishing boats come. As it is boats, so we have to write come. Number 9. Jack was bathing his dog just now. So 9 number is correct. Number 10. Anna was attend a meeting at 9 a.m. today. As it is written today, and in the same sentence we cannot write was. So this is wrong. Practice B. Complete the sentences using the simple present, present continuous, simple past or past continuous tense form of the words in the brackets. So my dear students, we know simple present tense, present continuous tense, simple past tense, and right now we have learned past continuous tense. So let's check. Coconut trees usually grow along the coast. What you have to do? Yes, my dear students, as you got the word usually, so you have to write simple present tense. Coconut trees usually grow along the coast. Number 2. He write an article at this moment. So I told you, if you get now or at this moment, definitely this sentence we have to write present continuous tense. Can you remember the structure of present continuous tense? Yes, am is are and verb plus ing. So number 2, what you will do? He is writing an article at this moment. Number 3, please don't disturb me. I dash for my studies. I study for my exams. So what you will write? Please don't disturb me. I am studying for my exams. Number 4. Dad repaired my bicycle all yesterday afternoon. So yesterday afternoon, all yesterday afternoon, what will do? That means dad was busy. So dad was repairing my bicycle all yesterday afternoon. Number 5. I talked to Nina on the phone when the doorbell rang. My dear student, here two sentences join with when. Look at first sentence, I was talking, and another one, Nina came when the doorbell rang. Sorry, I was talking to Nina, and second one, the doorbell rang. So these two sentences. So first sentence I have to write, I was talking to Nina on the phone when the doorbell rang. Yes, as it is rang, that means past form of ring. We have to write another sentence also in past tense. Which tense? Past continuous tense. Number 6. At 11 o'clock last night, we enjoy ourselves at the party. At 11 o'clock last night, we were enjoying ourselves at a party. Number 7. We fall sick after playing football in the rain yesterday. Yes, what you'll do? We were falling sick. No, it is not correct. What we'll do? We fell sick after playing. That means we played in the rain first, then we got sick. So we have to write we fell sick after playing football in the rain yesterday. Number 8. The bookkeeper hurried to the bank now. Have you seen? The word now is here. So what you will do? The bookkeeper is hurrying to the bank now. Number 9. The farmer usually. Yes, you got the word usually. So what you will write? The farmer usually feeds his animal. Why you will write feeds? Because here the farmer, the subject is third person. How many farmer here? 1. So the farmer, that verb will carry yes or yes. Which one? Yes, definitely. So the farmer usually feeds his animals early in the morning. Number 10. Look outside. The children climb that tree. The children are climbing ing. Yes, climb plus ing, climbing that tree. Okay, now next. Practice C. Tick the correct boxes to complete the sentences. My dear students, this is a passage like story. We have to read and we have to choose the word from the box. Okay. Number 1. I a magazine at about 1 o'clock this afternoon when my best friend Mandy in. I read or was reading. Which one? Definitely I was reading. Yes, I was reading a magazine at about 1 o'clock this afternoon when my best friend Mandy rushed in. Yes. Number 3. She a page of a local newspaper and her face with joy. She was clutching a page of local newspaper and her face was the past form of shine. What will happen? Shone with joy. Okay. Now we have 1. She cried. She to the paper, but I did not understand. She pointed to the paper. Okay. So I at her blankly. I stared. That means I am looking. That means I gave her a look, strange look. Okay. She very fast and I it hard to make out what she was saying. She was talking. She was talking very fast and I what is the word? From find we have to write the past form found. Yes, because all the incident happened at the previous time earlier. That's why we have to write found. It hard to make out what she was saying. Do you remember the contest we both entered? We guessed the correct answer. I leapt up. What is the past form of leap? Sorry, I missed the line. We have won $5,000. I leapt up. The past form of leap with joy. I leapt up. Right? If you get prize, then you definitely will do also. Right? I leapt up. And what is the past form of throw? The past form of throw is threw. So I leapt up and threw my arms around her. Next, practice D. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verb in the box. There are some words. These are the verb. We have to write according to the sentence. The words are destroy, lend, make, prone, run, search, spray, spread, stand, tap. Okay, Number 1. I dash in the queue at the tax office for 1 hour yesterday. Queue means line. So, my dear students, what will write? Yes, because I am standing there 1 hour yesterday. So definitely yesterday is here. So we have to write I stood. The past form of stand, we have to write stood. Mom usually me a mug of hot chocolate and toast before I drive off to work. You got the word usually. What you will do? Yes, you will write makes. Mom, third person singular. So what you will write? With make, it make will carry s because it is verb. So according to the subject, third person singular, we will write mom makes. Mom usually makes me a mug of hot chocolate and toast before I drive off to work. Number 3, Shirley Dash an advertising agency. She is the chief executive of the firm. So Shirley runs or Shirley is running. Both are correct. Number 4, security forces dash for the terrorist leader who bombed the police station. They hope to arrest him soon. Security forces are searching because they are finding, they are searching. Yes. Number 5, Helen dash rose bushes in her garden at about 5 p.m. yesterday. What happened? Yesterday you got. So she was doing work at about 5 p.m. So she was pruning. Number 6, the viral infection dashed throughout the country last year. The viral infection spreaded throughout the, from spread, you have to write past form spreaded. Number 7, a woodpecker dash on our window pane all night. A woodpecker was tapping on our window pane all night. Number 8, Sandra dash me some money to pay for the books last week. Last week is written, so definitely what you will do? You will write the past form of the verb. Lend, the word lend, and from the lend we have to write the past form of the verb lent, L-E-N-T. Sandra lent me some money to pay for the books last week. Number 9, dad dash water on the car now to wash off the dust and dirt. Now you got the word only now you got. It is not just now, it is only now. So you will write the present continuous tense. What is the structure of present continuous tense? Am, is, are plus verb plus ing, my dear students. So the verb is spray. So we have to write dad. After that we have to use is. The dad is spraying water on the car now to wash off the dust and dirt. Number 10. Number 10. Last week forest fires in the US dashed thousands of acres of valuable timber. That means the forest fires happen and it destroy, the form the verb destroy as it is last week written. So we have to write destroyed. Okay, my dear student, go practice E number. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense or past continuous tense of the verbs in the box. My dear students, these words are be, crash, head, hear, notice, fall, shout, speed, swing, try, walk. You have to fill up the blanks with the correct sentence according to the correct tense. So you will use the word and make it correct. This is your homework. E number, you have to do homework and you will do the homework in your book. And that's all for today, my dear student. Practice more and more. Inshallah, Next time we will do better in our exam, in our CT and half yearly exam as well as. Okay, my dear student, thank you all.